Welcome to the vlog. Sophia checking in. It is summer outside now, so the weather is hot. All that sun being outside non-stop. Will I get tan or will I be as pale as normal? We will see. We're gonna head out and enjoy the amazing summer weather and do bits and bops. I hope you guys are having a nice summer. Let's head out and do things. Okay, let's go.
It came into light. Who have I become? Whether it's wrong or it's right, we live for the right to run. And we sit back and wait till the war is won. It's the way that we are, creatures of the sun.
Hello, hi. I'm checking in here. The weather is freaking lovely outside. Just want to say that. But I have to vent a bit. So, yesterday, Sunday, I spent most of my time at home. I did some running, some jogging, and then I read a bunch and did a bit of arting, which is neat. But yeah, I finished 2 books and they broke me. You know, like I said in an earlier vlog that I was reading Normal People at the same time as watching Call Me By Your Name, and that was not a good idea. I did it again. I finished a book called Night Crawling, which is a great book, highly recommend. But the main character in that book, oh my god, I feel so bad for her, and you root so much for her, and she just keep getting in these awful situations, and oh, it's so sad. So yeah, I finished that. Once again, great book, but holy shit, sadness. And then I read another book, like a spooky book, a short book. I think It Gotten Worse Since the Last Time We Spoke is the title. And oh my god. The cover of it is kind of like the face is all distorted, like Asian horror vibes, Silent Hill vibes. And I'm like, oh, that's cool. But oh my, I was not ready. I was not ready for where it was going. Not so much sadness, just physically disturbed by the book. Oh my god. Good book. I finished that in one go, couldn't put it down, and I gave it back to the library as fast as I could because I didn't want to have that stuff at home. So therefore, we loaned a romance book, a Checkmate, instead, because I need some happy, corny things right now. I can't deal with any of that heavy, spooky shit right now. I need some joy and some romance and some corniness. I'm gonna do that and try to mentally build myself up. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing good, and I will check in with you later. Okay.
Pray that there's more.
Baby, I'm torn. Is this true love? Pick up where you left off, you can start again. Fed up, let down, much too hard to get around, to get around. You're out till midnight, you stand up tall, hide from the limelight, it makes no sense at all. They told you to stay in school, so instead you just play the fool. It's natural to worry if you made a mistake, and made my excuses, you made your escape. Maybe, maybe not, I was left in the open.
Hi, I'm here. I'm showing my place. I set up a little art station in my bedroom right now. So I got this handy dandy foldable free thing. What do you say? So I can fold it up in different levels. A platform thing, whatever, and then I could put paper here and draw. Yeah. So this is A2 big paper. Nothing on this yet, but yeah, for now I'm doing this one A5, way smaller. And then here is my messy art station with pencils and charcoal, and it's a mess. Excited about this. Maybe because I set this up, I will do more arting now. That would be nice, right? Will I do better? To be continued, I guess. Oh my god. Let's head out a bit more, but I just wanted to share this. I'm excited. Oh my god. Okay, let's go outside. Yes. Hello, hi, missed me. I kind of forgot to film myself talking, so I'm doing that now. It was this week. Some days I stayed inside to do some editing, but also the dishes and the other adult fun stuff. So therefore no footage on certain days, but other days, yes. And yeah, the weather is freaking lovely. You can see that I'm a bit red here. The sun has on my face. I'm getting that vitamin D. Yes. And I dropped my glasses when I was out this week. So I'm without my reading glasses. Oh no! But it's fine. I have an extra pair. I can read without my glasses. It just takes me a bit longer to read. Like it's kind of like it's not as sharp, the text. Any gamers out there, you know, when Samus goes into the charging places for Metroid Prime on GameCube, it go beep 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 beep. Dar, 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 dar. Boom. That's how I feel when I put my reading glasses on. Activate. Enhance. But it's okay. We're gonna it's fine. No worries. So yeah, thank you for this week. And I will see you guys next week. New summer week and good jams. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.